Right now, ChatGPT can already do 7 core data tasks that many junior analysts and IT workers are paid to do. Writing SQL, cleaning data, even drafting those boring weekly reports for your boss. So the real question is, if you work with data in India or anywhere in the world, is this the start of mass job losses or the biggest productivity boost of your career? Data work is the perfect target for AI. It's digital, repetitive, and usually follows clear rules. And in 2025, 92% of Fortune 500 companies are already using ChatGPT or similar tools. In India, you have millions of people in IT, analytics, and outsourcing, doing exactly these kinds of tasks. Some roles, like pure data entry, are over 90% automatable. So let's break down 7 things ChatGPT can already do today. And for each one, I'll tell you, is this a job at risk or a productivity boost if you adapt? First, natural language to SQL. You can literally type, "Show me all users who signed up in the last 90 days and made more than 3 purchases," and ChatGPT will return a full SQL query. You can then say, "Now change this for MySQL," or add one more filter for India only, and it updates the same query. For very basic dashboard and reporting work, this is absolutely a task at risk. If your job is just to translate a manager's question into a simple select statement, AI can do that. But for analysts who upgrade, this is a huge productivity boost. You can work across different databases, test more hypotheses, and spend your brain power on, is this the right question, instead of fighting syntax. Second, generating and cleaning data. ChatGPT can create realistic fake CSVs, like 500 fake customers with names, countries, and last login dates, in seconds. It can also suggest cleaning rules and write pandas code to fix inconsistent country codes, product names, or date formats. Manual copy-paste cleaning in Excel? That's at serious risk. Those pure data entry clerk roles are exactly what AI eats first. But if you're the person who designs the cleaning rules, validates the output, and understands the business meaning of clean, your value goes up. Third, Python scripting. Need a function to merge 2 data frames, remove outliers, and return a summary table? You can ask ChatGPT, and it will give you ready-to-run code. Then you can say, add exception handling, log errors, adapt this for Spark. It updates the same script step by step. Here, routine boilerplate work by juniors is clearly at risk. Some of the copy this Stack Overflow answer type tasks will disappear, but as a productivity tool, this is like giving every analyst a tireless pair programmer. The people who win are the ones who can read and debug this code, not just blindly copy it. Fourth, automated charts. You can create a bar chart of revenue by region, sort highest to lowest, use brand colors, and show exact values on top. ChatGPT can generate matplotlib or plotly code that does exactly that. The repetitive part, make the same chart again but for last month, is at risk. But deciding which chart actually explains the story to a CEO, that still needs a human. And if you're the person who can ask the right question and then use AI to instantly visualize it, you look 10x more effective. Fifth, documentation. Paste in a confusing SQL query, a data schema, or a Jupyter cell, and ChatGPT will explain in plain English what it does, step by step. It can then turn that into a README, a Confluence page, or even a training handout. Copy-paste documentation jobs? At risk. But every team that's been avoiding documentation now has no excuse. The person who owns that AI-assisted documentation pipeline becomes central to the team. Sixth, automated reporting. You can feed ChatGPT your metrics, conversions, revenue, churn, and ask it, write a 1-page summary for a non-technical executive. Highlight only anomalies in APAC. It will turn raw numbers into a narrative. Basic weekly report writing is at risk here. Many managers will be happy to let AI write the first draft. But the real value is deciding, what do we do about this? Recommending actions, understanding politics, and pushing stakeholders, that's still human. Seventh, full pipeline design. You can describe a workflow like, pull data from this API, clean nulls, load into BigQuery, then send a Slack alert if errors are above 1%. ChatGPT can produce a Python or Airflow skeleton for that pipeline. The glue work of stitching tutorials together, at risk. But architecture decisions, batch versus streaming, warehouse choice, governance, security, that all becomes more important. Let's zoom out. In 2024 and 2025, companies report anything from 27% to over 100% productivity gains on some data tasks when they use AI. But it's not all jobs gone. It's specific tasks being automated. Writing basic SQL, cleaning messy CSVs, drafting boilerplate Python, repeating the same charts, copy-paste documentation, routine weekly reports. If your entire job is only those tasks, yes, you're in danger. This is true in India's IT outsourcing sector, and it's true in the US and Europe. But if you move up the value chain, designing questions, validating AI output, understanding the business, communicating decisions, AI makes you dramatically more powerful. Here's the simple rule. If AI can do your work without understanding the business context, that task is at risk. If your value comes from judgment, domain knowledge, and communication, AI is your force multiplier. We are not going back to a world without tools like ChatGPT. Sandeep will be glad to summarize it and request you all to subscribers like and share for future news coming every day. Here is my point of view and recommendations. The winners won't be the people trying to compete with AI at writing SQL. They'll be the people who manage it, question it, and use it to deliver results faster than anyone else. If you work with data in India or anywhere in the world, your real job now is to learn how to drive these tools. If you want more sharp, fact-driven coverage of AI, tech, and US-India power shifts, hit subscribe and share this with one friend who works in data. Because the transition has already started. The only question is, will AI replace you or promote you?